everyone, welcome back to your grammar class, and today I'm going to discuss with you how to form dependent clause. Already in my previous video I have discussed with you the concept of clause in grammar. I have told you that clauses are they are complete sentences, and they are made with subject, verb and object. It is complete, right? It has a subject and a predicate, but cannot always be considered as full grammatical sentence. Okay, because sometimes it is incomplete. So we have two types of clauses. We have independent clause and we have dependent clause. Dependent clauses are incomplete, right? They are complete sentences, but they do not make complete sense. They give us incomplete sense. We need some more sentences to complete them, and whereas independent clause makes a complete sentence. They are complete in themselves. So today here we are concerned with the formation of dependent clause. Now let us see how dependent clause is formed. Now, as I have already told you that dependent clause or dependent sentences are made with conjunctions, right? They start with conjunctions, so they are not Now, I was telling you that dependent clauses are made with conjunctions. They start with conjunctions, so they do not make complete sentences. Now we have different types of conjunctions. We have three types, like coordinating conjunctions and correlative conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. So here, for forming dependent clause, we are concerned with only subordinating conjunctions. We don't have to do anything with coordinating and correlative conjunctions. So here we are concerned only with subordinating conjunctions. Now let's see some subordinating conjunctions to form dependent clause. I have told you already that a dependent clause is a kind of sentence which is complete, but it doesn't make a complete thought or complete sense. Okay, it needs one more independent clause to complete itself, and it begins with words of conjunctions. They are subordinating conjunctions. Now let's see some subordinating conjunctions which are used to form dependent clause. After, although, as if, as long as much as soon as, okay, as, though, as, because, before, even if, even though, how, if, in order that, lest, now that, provided, since, so that, than, that, though, till, unless, until, when, whenever, wherever, where, why. So these are some of the subordinating conjunctions which are used in the beginning to form dependent clause. Now let's see some examples. Does anyone know what we are having for dinner? Now see, we are having for dinner. What we are having for dinner is dependent clause. Okay, and it is getting completed after we add in it, does anyone know? So now it becomes a complete kind of sentence. Does anyone know what we are having for dinner? We will not start our project until teacher comes. Until teacher comes what? We will not start our project. Let's see the third example. I'm trying to decide which book I want to read next. Which book I want to read next? What I'm doing? I'm trying to decide. So now it is complete, and you can find more examples in my description box. and wait for my next video. We are going to discuss some more grammatical concepts of English. Thank you.